What if I told you, you don't need a classroom, a teacher, or even another person to become fluent in English? You just need 20 minutes a day and the right method. Most people fail at English, not because they've not smart enough. They fail because nobody ever showed them how to practice at home. Today, that changes. Welcome to Speak English with MRD. I'm so excited for this one because today I'm giving you a complete step-by-step system to practice English speaking daily. Right from your home, even if you live alone, even if you have zero English-speaking friends. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. Fluency doesn't come from knowing more grammar rules. It comes from daily, active practice. Speaking out loud, again and again, until English becomes automatic. I'm going to give you 7 simple methods. You don't need all 7 every day. Even doing 2 or 3 consistently will transform your speaking. Let's go through them one by one. The first method is the mirror talk technique. Stand in front of a mirror for just 5 minutes a day and talk about your day. Out loud, in English. Say things like, "Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast, then I went to work." It sounds simple, but this trains your brain and your mouth muscles to produce English naturally, without translating from your own language first. Let's try it right now. Repeat after me. Today was a good day. Now, try your own sentence about today. Pause the video and say it out loud. The second method is the shadowing technique. This is one of the most powerful methods used by professional interpreters. Play any English video or podcast and repeat every sentence immediately after the speaker, matching their speed, their rhythm, even their emotion. It trains your ear and your pronunciation at the same time. Try this with news clips, YouTube videos, or even movie scenes. Start with something slow and clear, then move to faster content as you improve. Repeat after me, matching my rhythm exactly. I would love to visit that place someday. Great! That's shadowing. The third method is self-recording. Record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes on any topic. Your weekend, your job, your favorite food. Then listen back. This feels uncomfortable at first, but it's incredibly powerful because you'll notice your own mistakes, your pauses, and your pronunciation patterns. Do this once a week and compare recordings from month to month. You will be shocked at your progress. Right now, open your phone's voice recorder. After this video, record yourself talking for 1 minute about your day. Just try it. No pressure. The fourth method is talk to yourself while doing chores. While cooking, cleaning, or walking, describe what you're doing in English. Now I am cutting the vegetables. I am putting the clothes in the washing machine. This builds a habit of thinking in English throughout your day, not just during study time. Try this sentence pattern. Now I am... Fill in the blank with whatever you're doing right now. Say it out loud. The fifth method is the question-answer method. Pick a simple question and answer it out loud in full sentences. For example, what did you eat for breakfast? Answer: I ate eggs and toast for breakfast this morning. Then ask yourself a follow-up. Why did you choose that? This trains you to think and respond quickly, just like a real conversation. Let's practice one together. Question: what is your favorite season and why? Pause the video and answer out loud in a full sentence. The sixth method is the watch and pause technique. Watch any English show or video. Every time you hear a useful sentence or phrase, pause and repeat it out loud 3 times. Then try using it in your own sentence. This builds your vocabulary and speaking fluency at the same time, using content you already enjoy watching. For example, if you hear the phrase, I'm looking forward to it. Pause. Repeat it 3 times. Then try, I'm looking forward to the weekend. Now you try creating your own sentence with that phrase. The 7th method is daily journaling out loud. Instead of writing a diary, speak it. Each night, talk out loud for 2 to 3 minutes about your day. What happened, how you felt, what you're planning for tomorrow. This combines vocabulary, grammar, and speaking fluency naturally, without any pressure of being correct. Tonight, before you sleep, try this. Just talk to yourself for 2 minutes about your day. No script, no rules, just speak. Here's my honest advice. Don't try all 7 methods today. Pick 2, maybe 3, and do them consistently for the next 7 days. Consistency beats intensity every single time. 15 minutes a day, done daily, will take you further than 3 hours once a week. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. You now have 7 powerful ways to practice English at home. Mirror talk, shadowing, self-recording, narrating your chores, question-answer practice, watch and pause, and spoken journaling. Pick a few, practice daily, and track your progress by recording yourself weekly. This is exactly how real fluency is built. Not overnight, but through small, consistent, daily habits. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Speak English with MRD. It genuinely helps me keep bringing you free lessons like this every single week. And if you're serious about becoming fluent, don't stop here. Stay with me, because next I want to show you the exact daily English speaking routine I recommend. A simple 15-minute schedule you can follow every single day using everything we just learned. That video will tie all of this together into one simple plan. Remember, you don't need a perfect accent, and you don't need to be fluent today. You just need to speak a little bit every single day. Keep practicing, keep showing up, and I promise, English will start to feel natural. This is MRD. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep speaking.